people, we're gonna start doing the fidget spinner battle, and this is the black one that you just tap it and then it just has light. This one you have to turn it on, but this one does not work, and it's really cool. This one, it's so cool, like totally cool, so cool.
These are the lights, but they're supposed to be going another one.
And you see that? This gets more interesting.
Entertainment,
Entertainment time in.
So the other one, the last one.
And then, let me just turn this one off. And then, so these lights, these circles, these thingies right here, they have to be here. But I just rather change them right here.
Yeah, these actually have to be going on the blue one.
Yeah.
But like it doesn't work without the blue. Without the blue.
So
'cause
these
we need,
two?
yeah, we need
So
one
these
more.
two go in the blue one, and these go on this
Look,
white one.
show it. Put those two black dots in the blue one. Look how it goes.
And
That's like under the two regular
these three actually supposed to go right here.
The moment. So let's wait.
So
Okay,
the
so
regular
finally
one.
she did it right. Yeah, that's the regular one. But show an example by doing these two, like these on these.
And then so these.
Wait, look at it.
And then
Yeah.
okay, so I lost this piece, and I can just go like that, like.
But try it. Like,
And then it doesn't have that much balance,
it really stops really fast.
but
Like,
it's cool still, cause it could still balance like that. Okay, so
those are all three fidget spinners, guys. But like, I still have a blue one and a blue one and a black one in my house. So yeah. There.
okay, guys, now let's go back to the video,
And acá sí, mira.
and we're gonna start doing the fidget spinner battle. So
Let's go to the video.
we're not gonna use. We're gonna be using doing the fidget spinner battle. And we're not normally gonna use it.
Yeah.
'cause it doesn't, so we put it to the side. So my sister's gonna use which one?
I'm gonna be using this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna start the fidget spinner battle. Turn your lights on.
And this is how you do it. You have to be turning on your light. Not you don't have to, but like I want to, so I like.
It looks more entertaining.
Yeah, like it goes better. And let me turn on the lights. So that's how you play. You actually spin this like this, and then we do this.
Yeah.
And like
If
when
whoever
it stops,
stops first loses.
yeah. So that's how we start. So let's get started in our video.
Shoot. Wait.
No, tiene que estar.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So right here we're gonna be doing it, right?
Yeah.
So first let me spin mine. Ready?
Set.
Round one. Ready, set, and go.
Spin it right. What's this? Mira. Oh, te está tapándolo.
Okay, so right there. See it?
Ready, set,
Right here, up, mejor.
and go. You see, she lost.
Yeah.
Cause I did it. She stopped first. Ready? Round two. Go. I lost.
Yes. So Bernie, he has like 1 point, and I have 1 point right now.
So we have to go to just round 5.
Yeah, we need 3 more rounds.
Yeah. Ready, set, go. She lost and I won.
So he has 2 points and I have 1 point.
It could be how the fidget spinner is. So yeah. Round 4, right?
My life went out.
Round 4. Go. I lost.
So right now
2 points.
and we're a tie.
Yeah,
we have 2.
from 2 points. The last round.
Let's see who wins
Ready,
this round.
set, go.
Wait, ready, set. Make sure you spin it really good.
Ready? I won! It was a tie, so
It's a tie.
it was a tie, so we can make round 6.
Yeah. Ready and go.
No, you lost. You lost. So I got 3 points. She got 2 points. So I won. So finish the video. How do you put it?